Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am showing you two of my mason jars. These are what people use for canning with special canning lids, but they can also be used for storage. When you are using them for storage, you don't have to use the metal canning lids. You can use any lid that fits. They sell plastic storage lids for mason jars that you can buy. I thought I would show you how I get them for free. This is my peanut butter that Grandpa and I use, and one day I realized that these plastic lids on the peanut butter jars fit my mason jars perfect. So every time I'm done with my peanut butter, I save the plastic lid, and as you can see, get it on right. As you can see, they fit my mason jar perfect. The mason jars. So see, I get these lids for free and I don't have to go and buy them in the store anymore. You can use the mason jars for rice, beans. You could use it for popcorn kernels. So I love these mason jars to store all my dry goods in. You can also use them for soup in the refrigerator, leftovers in the refrigerator, whatever you like. These plastic lids from the peanut butter jars, they are not leak proof, but neither are the storage lids that you can buy unless you buy the special leak proof storage lids that they sell. So just be careful, but they're still great for putting leftovers in them, or you could put soup in the refrigerator in them. You could store beans, you could store rice, small pasta. These jars are great, but I just wanted to give you the tip of how I get these storage lids free, and I hope that will help you. So check your peanut butter jars and check your plastic lids. They may work for your mason jars also.